All right, YouTube, y'all know what this is. This is Swamper. Good to see you again. Listen, thank y'all for watching today. Today we are going to fillet and release into some grease. Y'all stay tuned today. We're gonna show y'all the way we do it. We're gonna do potatoes, cornbread, fried crappie. We're gonna show you a little bit of filleting. Y'all know how we catch fish all the time, so we're gonna show you how we fillet and prepare our fish for the kitchen. Breeze will be here shortly. Y'all get your popcorn and get ready to watch this episode of fillet and release into some grease. All right, YouTube, y'all see it. Look, we going with the Rapala R12 HD cordless, and we're going with the American Angler with the shark blades today as well. So y'all see what you got here. We're gonna get ready to put these things to work. Y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube, look, man, we finally set up, ready to go. But it's crazy when you got two coolers full of nothing but crappie. Got a 3-man limit on yesterday, and guess what? They're on ice, and we're ready to go. We're gonna get started. All right, y'all, we got some good humdingers in here. Look, I'm just saying, y'all, this is just phenomenal fishing. So we get ready to get started. I'm waiting on Grizz, but I got to get going. Save all this protein for my dogs, y'all. Livers and caviar and all that stuff. My dogs get that at the end of the clean. All right, y'all, as we promised, I told y'all Grizz was on the way. He made it, so guess what? We just filleting these fish, and we actually saving some of it for the dogs. So this knife has done well. We've done 30 so far. Anybody who knows me know I got big hands. Listen, these are size extra large gloves, and they tight on my hands, y'all. But I just want y'all to see these fish real quick. This is my hand on top of the fish. These fish are huge crappie, y'all. I just want you to know that we working these knives out today. So y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube, we are back in the house. We are indoor, not outdoor. Y'all saw us fillet these fish, and y'all saw everything that was going on. But now it's time for Miss LayC to put her little special thing on it. She is actually gonna fry these fillets. As you see, I'm talking about some beautiful fillets, some hot grease, and some butter. Y'all stay tuned. All right, Miss LayC, what we got going on here?
What we got going on here is my fish breader. And my fish I've seasoned with a little salt, pepper, J.O. seasoning. And then I have my grease, nice and hot. We'll check it and see how hot it is.
All right.
It's almost there, not quite.
See a little sizzle.
Just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And just my tongs to be able to lift my fish out. That's it.
Okay. All right, so how do you know when this grease is actually ready to go?
I used to just test it. Just test it a little bit with a little bit of meal, see how much of a boil I get from it. And if it's a nice boil, hear that crackling, that lets me know that it's ready.
I heard you talk about meal. I mean, what kind of meal we got here? Is this a free meal? Is it fish meal? Is it a happy meal? What we got going on here?
We have cornmeal.
Okay.
Louisiana fish frying cornmeal.
All right.
To make your fish nice and crispy.
Okay.
And have a pretty golden color. And also gives it an extra taste, an extra flavor. It's a little bit of spice in here. When you open the bag, you can smell it. But it doesn't make your fish too spicy that you can't enjoy it.
Got it. So look, I saw a little something one time. You holding out. You got a few secrets you holding there.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the secret. Cause I see something right here that say Hooters.
Yes, that's Hooters. That's some Hooters chicken breader that I mixed with my Louisiana.
Oh, you got a little secret you hold out there. Now you not giving the folk. You ain't giving the folk the real. You giving the folk the steal. Come on now.
Now all my secrets are out.
All right.
Yes, that's one of my secrets to make the fish taste really awesome, guys. If you get you some Hooters chicken breader and a little bit of this Louisiana fish fry,
it's on and popping.
it's on and popping. Let me tell you something.
It's gonna make you go like hog slopping.
Yes, and your people, your family, friends, they'll never stop ringing your doorbell. All they want to know is when you cooking some more fish. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a piece of my fillet. Beautiful fillets. Swamper did it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Look at that beautiful fillet.
No skin, no bones, just beautiful fillets.
Pure white meat.
Mr. Swamper did that, y'all. Now I'm getting ready to put the best part on it. That seasoning you see, and some of this old Hooters in Louisiana. Yeah, that's what we get ready to do to this fish.
So you're gonna give it a powder down, and you're gonna give it a hot oil bath.
Hot oil treatment.
Look
Look
y'all.
at that. Listen at that. Just listen.
Just listen. Turn your volume up.
I'm gonna check my fillets, make sure they're nice and firm. Look at that. When it's like that, guys, you know it's ready to be taken out. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful golden fillets. Nice and juicy. Beautiful. You can cook fish like this at home. There's no restaurant that can top it. You'll learn how to enjoy your own cooking. When frying fish, guys, this rolling boil that you see, this is what you want, or even a little bit more, because it takes very hot grease to cook fish properly, to have a nice crispy breader on there. If not, it's gonna be soggy and it's not very appetizing. So whenever you're cooking your fish, make sure that your grease is at a rolling boil.
All right, people. Do you see what I see? That is, I'm talking about beautiful crappie fillets, cooked to perfection. Listen, if you had smell-o-vision, you would already know this is the real deal. Holyfield, it will knock you out. That's a great job frying fish, frying crappie fillets with Miss LayC. She's still over there getting it in. She got a few more to cook, but I wanted y'all to see how it is and how we do it. here at Filleting Family Outdoors. Ms. LayC, appreciate your expertise. And that is about to go down. This is Filleting Family Outdoors. Y'all please take care of yours.